Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix a sold out product in Shopify. Let's get started. First go to shopify.com, then click on login up here. Just enter in your email in this field, or you may also choose to log in using your Apple ID, Facebook, or Google account. This action will lead you to your Shopify dashboard. And here on the left panel, click on this products right here, and then click on the product that is sold out. So for example, the short sleeve t-shirt is sold out. So click on this product, and then you will be led to this new tab. In here, just scroll down until you see the inventory section, and then look for the track quantity checkbox. So one thing that you can try to do to fix a sold out product is by checking and unchecking this track quantity checkbox. And then another thing you can do is unchecking and checking this continue selling when out of stock checkbox just under the track quantity checkbox. And after that, just click on save up here to save your changes. And that is how you can fix a sold out product in Shopify. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.